नमस्कार मित्रांनो, मी अविनाश पुन्हा एकदा स्वागत करतो तुमचं एका नव्या व्हिडिओमध्ये। मित्रांनो, मागच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण शिकलो होतो की इंग्रजी बोलण्यासाठी इंग्रजी लिसनिंग किती इम्पॉर्टंट असतं आणि म्हणून लिसनिंगची प्रॅक्टिस करण्यासाठी हा व्हिडिओ घेऊन आलो आहे। मित्रांनो, या व्हिडिओमध्ये मी तुम्हाला एक इंग्रजी स्टोरी सांगणार आहे जी तुम्ही व्यवस्थित ऐकायची, समजून घेण्याचा प्रयत्न करायचा आणि तीच स्टोरी पुन्हा एकदा कोणाला तरी सांगण्याचा प्रयत्न करायचा। जर कोणी नसेल तुमच्या आसपास तर मोबाईलचा कॅमेरा ऑन करा आणि मोबाईल समोर ठेवून ती स्टोरी तुम्ही सांगा आणि तो व्हिडिओ रेकॉर्ड करा। त्यामुळे तुम्हालाच तुमच्या चुकाही समजतील। चला तर मग जास्त वेळ न घालवता लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। वन डे वन रिच मॅन wanted to punish a man named Hassan. He blamed him that he had stolen necklace from his house and reported to the Akbar. The case was brought in the court. Akbar asked the man, "Why do you think that Hassan has stolen your necklace?" The man replied, "Your Honor, I have seen him stealing the necklace." Hassan said, "No, Huzur, I am innocent. I do not know anything about necklace." The rich man said, "Huzur, if he is innocent, then let him prove his innocence. Let me bring the red hot iron, and if he can hold it in his bare hands, then I will agree that he is speaking the truth and he has not stolen my necklace." Hassan said, "If I am speaking the truth, then I will not burn my hands with that hot iron." "You are right. God will protect you," said the rich man. Now Hassan could not do anything to hold the red hot iron in his hands to prove his innocence and that he was speaking the truth. He asked Akbar to give him one day to look for that necklace again, and he went home. He took advice from Birbal and he came next day. He said, "I am ready for that, but the same thing should apply to him too. If he is speaking the truth, then the red hot iron should not burn his hand also. So let him bring that hot iron holding in his hand also. Then I will hold that iron in my bare hands." Now the rich man was speechless. He told the Akbar that he would go and search his necklace again in his house. Maybe it was misplaced somewhere there. Akbar ordered to give necklace to Hassan as a punishment to the rich man. Now you have to listen this story carefully and try to understand. Then you have to tell this story to someone, because listening is the best practice to learn speaking English. मित्रांनो, तर हा व्हिडिओ कसा वाटला हे मला कमेंट करून कळवा। व्हिडिओचा फायदा झाला तर इतरांनाही शेअर करा। चॅनलला अजूनही सबस्क्राईब केलं नसेल तर सबस्क्राईब करा। धन्यवाद।